notice the fact that the color scheme is being constant. When you look at these slides one by one, the color scheme remains the same. That is yet another thing I want to take care of. Now, the second slide is about the partnerships. What kind of organizations should GeoAI partner with in order to provide the best possible product possible to its customers? In addition to that, not only the organizations that GeoAI should partner up with, but also the percentage of the joint venture that should be shared with this particular organization. And of course, we also had discussed that what is the rationale behind giving this particular partnership stake to each one of these stakeholders. That was one thing we discussed. And what are the advantages and why is it that this particular stakeholder be chosen? Those are the reasons, those are the things that we have included in this particular slide. One more thing is there, that research, primary and secondary research is very, very important. If anyone does not know the meaning of that, let me know down in the comment section below. So primary research, you should mostly reserve it for the later rounds. That is something that we have done as well. Basically, primary research is some kind of research that you've conducted yourself, for example, by circulating Google Forms and so on. And secondary research is leveraging research that other people have already done. So that is one thing I need you to understand, that primary research should be kept for latter rounds. That is something that can really help you win a case study competition. So that is one thing. This is our final slide. And one more thing very important is that we've included an appendix. I don't know how many teams have included an appendix in their slides, but an appendix is basically showing your homework to the judges, the panelists as well. That goes to show that your figures and the things that you've put in your slide are not something that you've just come up with. A lot of research has gone into this, and this research also needs to be shown to the panelists. Now, this is the round 2. This is a round 2 submission. Basically, 80 people were selected, or 80 teams were selected after round 1. And after round 2, 21 teams were selected. So this was our submission for round 2. So basically, this is where all the magic happened. Our most effort went into developing these slides. So the first pro tip here that I want you to understand, that there is no empty space in any of these slides. This, for example, is the executive summary slide. We have summarized everything in this particular slide: our whole solution, the problem, partnerships, investment needs, revenue model, and so on. This is where the most effort went in. So this, again, you can notice the title, conclusion slide, the organization, the formatting. Formatting is very important. Formatting meaning the alignment of different boxes, how your slide looks. That is something. The aesthetics of slides are also very important when it comes to winning case competitions. So this is the executive summary slide. The next one is the current scenario.